Imisi. By the time she got towards there, he told him, close your eyes, pretend like yourself, pretend Imisi too did it. You also have, and that's the reason why I asked you a question that I said, why is it when I had an issue with Imisi that she told you about the information? She has had that information since. This thing was not said yesterday or last week or 2 weeks ago. It was said since. We don't do this now 6 weeks. So that's why I kept asking you. You should have asked her, why are you telling me now? Because that's the first thing. Even when Kala was telling me, oh, Gigi said, I said, why are you telling me now? I go ask you, why are you telling me now? That means there's a reason. You want me to probably hate the person or something. Yeah. And me, I'm very big. I told him, I said, clean. Me and Jason had already have the conversation. Me and Sultana would already have our conversation. There is nothing like me. They always clear ground. Even if I say something out of anger, like I don't like the way Isabella shouts at me. It will take me a while to first calm down. Then I'll not be like, Isabella, I don't speak to you. I declare, not be saying.
Please, the mats, do it outside. Everything is come inside. So if you have your stuff outside, please bring it inside.
Okay, so in my mind, I'm like, I usually curse off, usually when it's heated. Like when Zita and I had the first issue we had, like sometime last week, when I told her, please help me heat up pizza. That was not even like a proper issue because I addressed it there. I was like, see, I don't go heat up the pizza where I beg you. Let me say tomorrow when I win HOH, you ask me for something, you go, I talk no. She was like, but when you were HOH, you don't do anything. I didn't take it, I was hurt because I was like, I was HOH for 2 hours.
And I did this, I did that.
Do you understand? And even Faith that I did not know gave me food to keep, and we kept it in the fridge. So my man, I was like, I didn't even have time to even do anything for my friends. So for you to hold it, that's very strange to me because you never asked me to do anything for you and I did not do it. So I'm just like, it's so strange. But anyways, words were not exchanged. But today's own, that she called me a bitch, she has to apologize.
That's what I was saying upstairs, that if me and someone has an issue, if you don't apologize and say sorry for those words you said to me, because I won't say a bad word to you except you do to me first. If you don't say sorry to me, we will never.
I told people that I told people that even feeling sorry for me. I told people that I said, do you understand?
You see this person that went and was insulting, Thelma. When they insult her with her family, you know, say her face change.
I told her today, I said that's the reason why they insulted you with your family.
Pain her die. She's so insecure because that time I was talking in the house, I was saying, oh, you didn't see her reaction. I was saying that Tracy and her, they are similar, only that she is stubborn to do things her own will. Do you understand? But Tracy is somebody that was locked up, that is still locked up. Do you understand? She just is small road.
We'll carry that one now.
I thought I'm opening now. Go they kid their papa. Me, I look like who they. Me, do you know the first part, baby? I was a locked child.
But you tear the door down. Really?
I was a locked child. My mama, they locked door.
That shout today really pissed me off because I was like, it's so
unfounded. But wait.
Because from where to where?
From whems to whems. Like, where did we go? How did we get to? Because me did there, they struggle with my life. I did there, like, do you know, this morning, I was so destabilized. Like, I was trying to understand where. I was also trying to make you understand, like, you. Where they come from now? I see what you're saying.
If you see the way I dropped my sneakers,
then before you know, I did hear, hey, this bitch is. It now makes sense because yesterday when I was talking about Faith outside, she just sat down on that swing. But there some people will be talking, shut the fuck up, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch.
When was this?
Yesterday evening before we went in for this thing.
For Arena game.
I know. Shut the fuck up. So me, I was, because there were other people there, so me, I was like, I even had to ask Isabella, say, this guy get problem because I don't even know who should they talk to.
This on our house now, wow. Biggie house of commotion.